Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. First of all, I'm showing you a few items that caught my eye but I didn't buy. Got a rather nice selection here of Peanuts characters, £2.50 each. Seems a shame to break up the set. I mean, you'd really want to buy the whole set, wouldn't you? Next, we have a vintage Viewmaster. I remember playing with one of these when I was a kid. I think the one I had was red, but you put the disc in and looked at the pictures. £10 for that. And then next we've got Thunderbirds 3, £2.50. Yeah, don't really have any use for that. And following that, we've got a radio controlled car with the controller. £3.50 they want for that. Yeah, interesting. 2 wheels and runs on a little bearing thing front and back, so I expect it just sort of spins around and that. Anyway, that's what caught my eye but didn't buy. What I did buy was this. We'll start with this first. One of those Rubik's Cube type puzzles. How many sides is that? Oh, let's have a look inside. Is it sealed? Get it open at the bottom. Got instructions. Well, that's a bit of a novelty. Except they're, well, I was going to say they're not in English, but I don't suppose that matters really. Yeah, full set of instructions. I should have to scan that in so it doesn't get lost. Because I expect once you start working on that, it's going to be interesting, isn't it? Yeah, alright, well we won't try and fix that just now, but I'll definitely scan those in. And then finally, one of my favourites, a wooden kit, wooden clip together kit. This one's a Professor Puzzle one, and it's laser cut instead of those ones that are stamped out with a sharp knife. I haven't actually had a laser cut one before. Never. And that's the way they're all done now, as far as I know. I've actually thought about getting a laser cutter myself. Quite a few people have got them, instead of 3D printers. More than I like to spend, £3. But I just thought it looked nice. And because it's laser cut, it should go together very neatly, very accurately. So that will go into my stock. I've got quite a big stock of these again now. I actually run my stock right down to 0 when we were on lockdown, which was good. I mean, that was about a year or so. It took me to get through them all, but I've built my stock back up again now. So yeah, there we go. Wooden helicopter kit, whatever you call that. I will call it a Rubik's Cube type puzzle. And some things that I didn't buy. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.